Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about sitting arrangement, which is very important topic of competitive exam, which come under reasoning. As many competitive exams are arriving, IBPS, SBI, it will be helpful. Hope so. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So let's get started without wasting much time. So there are three types of sitting arrangement: line, square, and circle. We will discuss it in detail. First one is line arrangement. In a line arrangement, there are three types: north facing, south facing, and parallel lines. Let's discuss all this in detail. First one is north facing. In north facing, this way is left and this way is right. Only these two things, if we understand properly, then our diagram or question will be solved easily. Okay, in north facing it is easy to understand, as your left will be left and your right will be right. Okay, but only in north facing, not in south facing. Got it? Oh. Let's discuss in detail with the question for better understanding. So what does the question says? A, B, C, D, E, F and G, 7 persons are sitting in a row facing north. So guys, while reading the question, be careful. What is it? North or south? Otherwise, your question will become wrong. Your answer will become wrong. Okay. So let's make a diagram. There are 7 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This way will be left and this way will be right. For your better understanding, I have written left and right. So what is first point says? F is to the immediate right of E. We can't say where will E sit and where will F sit. Let's see second point. E is 4 to the right of J. No idea where they both will sit. Next say C is the neighbor of B and D. No idea. Fourth say person who is third to the left of D is at one end. Here we got one clue. One end, right? So one end means on here or here. One person can sit which is third to the left of D. Which way is left? This way. So person will sit here, not there, on the right side. So where will D come? Toward the left of this person. 3. 1, 2, 3. Here D will come. So this point is done. Third to the 1, 2, 3. Third to the left of D. Okay. So next, now we have D. In third point we have D. We will pick this. C is a neighbor of B and D. C is a neighbor of B and D. C can come here or here. If C come here, then here will be B. If C come here, then B will come here. Right? There are 2 possibilities. What does second point say? E is 4 to the right of G. 4 to the right of G. Right is this way. If B is here, C is here, E can be here, suppose, right? But here we can take because it's a right of G. If here it is, so here we can say it will be G here if B and C are here. E is 4 to the right of G. Where will E? Then E will come here. Okay. So B, C and B won't come here. Then it is confirmed. B will become here, sit here and C here. Only two persons left. First point says F is to immediate right of E. Immediate right of E is here. F will sit here. What does left? Only A left. Done. Now you will say that it takes so much time. We don't have so much time. But with practice, you can solve it quickly and find. First of all, you have only find one point from where to start, as we start from the fourth point, not from the first 2 and 3. Right? This is very important to find one point from where to start. If you start from 1, 2 and 3, there are so much of possibilities that this F can be here, here and here. Then your question will become lengthy and goes on. So you have to do much practice. This is questions on for understanding. Understand here from logic. Then practice, you will get it. Okay. So can we move? You can copy it by pausing the video. Okay. Now let's move on to questions. So every question has 5 parts. Okay. Let me make here so that we can solve the question. 5, 6 and 7. G, B, C, D, E, F and A. This way is left, this way is right. What is the first question? What is the position of A? Where is A? Between E and D? No. Extreme left? No. Center? No. Extreme right? Yes. What is the answer? Extreme right. D. This way is right now. Next, who are the neighbors of B? C and D? No. C and G? Yes. Second one. This is G and this is C. Which of the following statement is not true? What is written? Not true. Be careful, guys. Not true or true. So first option is E is to the immediate left of D. No. E is the immediate right of D. So it can be this only. Right. Let's study. Next option also. A is at one end, right. G is to the immediate left of B, right. F is second to the right of D, Yes, 1 and 2. Right, got it? Good. Next question. Who are to the left of C? Who is left? Tell me. Only B? No. G, B and D? No. G and B. Right. C is option. G and B. Who are to the left of C? Who are to the left of C? Tell me, guys. Same question repeated. So leave it. It's a repetition of question, guys. Here. So hope you understand it. Let's move on to next type, that is south facing. In south facing, your right will become left and your left will become right. Okay, opposite. There are chances of more mistakes in south facing. So be careful while solving south facing. Or just a simple trick I'll tell you. Just flip your paper. Then your right will become right or your left will become left, and it will become south facing. But while answering the question, straighten the page and then answer. Okay, it's a really trick. You can try, but don't apply directly in exam. First try at home, practice, then try. So let's start with the question. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sit in a straight line facing north. It should be south. Mistaken. Correct it, guys. It must be not north. In question, right, south. Okay. Again, there are 7 persons facing south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What does the question say? Only 3 people sit between F and A. Neither F nor A sit at an extreme end of line. Now we get 2 points. 3 persons sit between F and A. Neither F nor A sit at extreme end. Let's suppose F sits here. 3 persons sits 1, 2, 3. Then A will be here. Right? None of them are at the extreme end. The next says only 2 people sit between A and G. If A is here and G will be then here also. Then only 2 people will sit between them. Next, E is not an immediate neighbor of A or F. E will not come here, not here, neither here. What does left here? This is space for E. E sits third to the left of B. This is left and this is right. E sits third to the left of B. B ka left. Only this is space is empty. B third to the left of B. B is left 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next is B is not an immediate neighbor of A. Then A is not an immediate neighbor of C. Then C will become here. What is left? D. So this is the equation solved. Can we move to questions now? Guys, please correct the questions. It's not here, not. It is south. By mistake. My apologies. It is really not. So let's move on to questions. First of all, I have to draw it for you. One, two, three, four, five, 6 and 7. B, F, G, E, D, A and C. Okay, let's see what the first question says. What is the position of E with respect to C? Here is the left and this way is the right. With respect to C, pick the C and then say where is E according to C. Third to the left. E is third to the left of C? No. Fourth to the right of C? No. Second to the right of C? No. It's third to the right of C, right? Third to the right of C. 1, 2 and 3. E is where? Third to the right of C. 1, 2 and 3. Here is the position of this. Right? So answer will be D, third to the right of C. Got it? Then next question, which of the following pairs represent persons seated at the two extreme end of the line? Who are sitting? B and C. Where is B and C? C option. Right? How many persons are seated between B and A? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much are there? 4. How many? 4. 4 persons. Next question say which of the following is true with respect to given arrangement. Now here is written true, right? 2 people sit to left of D. यहाँ पर 2 आएगा. 2 people sit to left of D. D's left is where? 1 and 2. True है? Yeah. E sit to the immediate left of F. No. So first option is true. Right. Then fifth question. Who among the following sit exactly between A and G? E, A and G के in between which 2 persons are sitting? E and D. E and D, that is B option. D and E. Right. So if you solve this and solve the questions, you will get 5 marks. Your 5 marks are safe. Right? Next we have parallel lines. Parallel lines is basically a combination of both north facing and south facing. These are south facing. These are north facing. Now you know the rules. North facing, left and right. South facing, right and left. Right. So you can say it is a combination of both. Okay. Let's understand with the example. In parallel lines, it requires much more practice. In PO, IBPS or high level exams, only parallel line questions come. Mostly it comes parallel lines. Very rare or simple like north facing or south faces come in clericals. Okay. Or SSC exams. But if you solve parallel line, you are able to do both north and south facing. Do practice more and more. I repeatedly say to increase your speed. Okay, so next solve this question. 12 people are sitting in two parallel rows containing 6 on each side such that they are equidistant from each other. Row 1, P, Q, R, S, T and V are seated and all are facing south. This is row 1 and facing 1, 2, P, Q, R, S, T and V. 6 person, right? 6 in 1 and 6 in 2 facing south. And these are facing in row 2, A, B, C, D, E and F. All are facing north. Therefore, in a given sitting arrangement, each member sitting in row of another member, they both are facing each other. What is the first point say? S sits third to the right of Q. Okay. Here is right. Here is left. This way is left, and this is right. Right. S and Q comes in row 1. Either S or Q sit at an extreme end of line. Right? Yeah. So S sit third to the right of Q. Right of Q. F. Q sits here. Suppose Q's right will be this way. So third, 1, 2 and 3. S will sit here. This is Q. Okay. Then the one who faces Q sit second to the right of E. The one who faces Q means person sitting here is second to the right of E. Means if E is here, then this equation will come with right is this way, E is right, second is Q is opposite. Who sits here? We don't know. So next, two people sit between B and F. B and F, neither B nor F sit at extreme end. So B and F will become here. Here will be or F. Two persons sit between them. The immediate neighbor of B faces a person who sits third to the left of B. Immediate neighbor of B. This or this. Both. Two possibilities. Faces a person who sits third to the left of P. P is in row 1. Left of P is where? This way. If we take this one opposite, then P will sit 1, 2 and 3. So it is S here already. We can't put P here. So we must write this opposite. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. P will sit here. Got it? Okay. Let me erase extra one. So next point is we have done this, this and this and this. R and T are immediate neighbors. R and T will come here only because no other space fits them. C sits second to the left of A. Left of A second. If I take here A, second position will come here where E sits. So A will become not here. A will sit here. And here will sit C. What is left? D. Next say T does not face immediate neighbor of T. T does not face immediate neighbor of D. So here it will be T and R. Now what is left here? V. So this is our equation. Right? Done? So next move on to questions. Now where I draw for the answers. Let me try to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only 6 again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P, V, S, T, R and Q. Here are C, F, A, E, B and D. Okay, what is first question? Who amongst the following sit at the extreme end of rows? S and D, no. Q and A, no. V and C, no. P and D, right. So answer will be D, P and D. Next question, who among the following faces S? That's A, first one. How many persons are seated between V and R? C, only 2. S and T. P is related to A. P is related to A. Means this way. After leaving 1. As S is related to B. S is related to B. After leaving 1. Based on the given arrangement, which of the following is T related to? Same pattern में T is related to D. While after leaving 1, T is related to D. Answer will be B option. Okay. Which of the following is true regarding T? F faces T? No. V is an immediate neighbor of T? Not at all. F faces the one who is second to the right of T? right. Here is right and here is left. Second to the right of T is V, which faces the F. So answer will be C. Four of the five are alike in a certain way based on the so form. Which one does not belong to that group? Its answer is C. C and V. Okay. A and T. P V S T R Q. A and T. After leaving one. B and T. Not. F and S. Opposite. C and V. Opposite. Sorry, its answer will be no. See, its answer will be B. Hope you guys like this video and understood it. If any questions come to the mind, do comment. I will reply. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos, upcoming videos, square and circles. Bye bye. Good luck for your exams.